Hello YouTube. Um, Welcome back to another episode of Toolhead 147. Today we're gonna be shopping at Harbor Freight. We're gonna be looking at the new items they got. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. All right. Yeah, we got a lot of new items today to talk about. First item is this portable work light. You probably seen my review, my previous review on this work light. It's been a few years and they actually changed this light. Here's another one, the Quan 215 luminance light. I will be doing a review on this soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, they have quite a few new lights. Here's another one too. This is a black light, UV flashlight, and what you could do is you could look at scorpions and all that, other insects that glow in the dark, or chemicals that glow in the dark. But yeah, they got a lot of new products. I'm actually surprised, and a lot of them are pretty good. Like they got that fan. Oh, there's the dollies. Yeah, there's the fan, the shot fan. That's a good one. You put a couple misters on that and you'll be nice and cool here in the summer. And here's another one. Here's the canopy. There's a coupon out there for $54.99, so keep an eye out there for the coupon. Let's see, let's go to the nailers. Yep, these are the new pierced nailers. Yeah, you can, the 21 degree framing nailer. These are supposed to be higher quality. They do come with a case, a hard case, so that's a plus, because the other ones didn't come with the case. The other ones are good nailers too. I would think that these are even better. So they compare them to Hitachi nailers, so they have to be good quality. They're kind of pricey, but then again, you know, they'll come out with specials, coupons or whatnot. So, but yeah, I love those nailers. Let's see what else they got. Yeah, it seems like Harbor Freight's actually stepping the game up a little bit. There's the Daytona jacks. I'll come back with those. It's a nice ladder. Here's the motors, the engines for the lawnmowers and all that. You can do projects with those. There's a bottle jack. Yep. Generators. There's that light again. They're advertising it everywhere now. There's the new Daytona floor jacks. You got some nice jacks there. I like that rubber piece on the top. Feels real good. That's a low profile one. It's a nice one. Actually, the low profile one is the one next to the yellow one, so that's the low profile. Even the 3-ton, the basic one is nice. You know, you don't even have to. It's for $119.99. That's not bad. Yeah, that's the low profile I was telling you guys about. That's 170. I don't know if it's 179. That's a nice Yeah, these are all nice jacks. They really know how to step the quality up now. At least with the jacks. There's some toolboxes. Oh, and if you guys don't know, there's actually a Series 2 toolbox that's coming out. I don't know if it's out. Haven't seen it in the stores, but I've seen the ads for it. So keep eye out for the Series 2 toolbox from US General. There's a wireless battery operated hand tools or garden tools. Yeah, these Doyle pliers, man, they've been pretty good. Look at that big one for $24.99. That's cheap for a good quality. You know, that's really good. Really good price. There's some more flashlights. Quantum. There's the dollars right there. The Bigfoot is pretty big. Got the big old tires. I got some more lawn equipment, some trimmers. Some hoses, sprayers. Here's some of those wireless. Some dollies. No, there's the Harbor Freight solar 100-watt solar system right there. And all the accessories for it. Alright, this is my quick review for these new items. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one.